I was gonna cut one in half.
There are lots of holes in there.
Yeah. Somebody is listening to us right now.
Yeah.
I'm very apprehensive of cutting a critter in half. At least I'm not climbing it and I have to like deal with the raccoon up close.
Unless of course it jumps into your basket, then you're...
Yeah, you know, if he sees me as a... You know, the coolest raccoon story I ever had was he was out and he was on a branch and it was in the tree I was taking down. So eventually I'm coming for him. And then I got down to the branch that he was on, and there was another willow tree next door. And I'm like, I'm gonna compromise notch this. We're gonna lower it to the other trees. He's gonna offload onto that, and then we'll take our rig. And I started cutting the branch. He started walking to the end of the branch. It went over and it got close to the other tree. He transitioned off.
Oh, nice.
And it was just perfect. It's like, okay, buddy, let's work together on this one.
Yeah.
Read my mind, catch my signal, and he did. Yeah, but I'm gonna cut somebody in half right there, but down here I'm probably not. I told you I would cut somebody in half. Yeah, I know it. Yeah. That was fortunate. I was anticipating that would be in the middle of the driveway.
Yeah.
And either optical illusion or it broke sideways. I mean, there was a lot of hinge. Yeah, I had punky wood on this side and good wood on that side. It probably pivoted that way. So maybe I don't think I got a camera angle of that coming over, but I think it broke that way. At any rate, it saved us. There they go. Hey, don't come back up here. Hey. Don't come up here. No, stay down. Stay down. No, buddy. What are you doing? Oh, now we gotta do it all over again. Oh, now we gotta do it again. There's probably more anyways. Oh, I got a good shot of him. We're just like face to face. Stay down. No, buddy. What are you doing? I almost reached out to touch him. I thought, no, it's probably, I got a pretty thick glove on, but I thought, no. Fear is a pretty ready biter. You don't want to mess with fear. Well, that's going to make a really good short. That could be 1 million viewer right there. Now we got to do the dance again. I suppose we could put it on a string. Okay, nobody's up in there. He's down in a hole down there. This guy, I think, is way up here. Let's go see if he's over here. don't see him. Where'd he go? Oh, he went in that hole. He's way down there. Okay, somebody might be taking a ride on that. Nobody's in. Okay, nobody's in there. You know, because I care. I care. It didn't really hinge. I thought it was going to break off here, but this was pretty solid, and so it broke off above it. Yeah, see, I wanted that to hit on that bottom branch and then sort of crumble, so that the butt would lay flat. I got a little bit of tear of the lawn there with the first branch, but you know, that's an easier fix than the big old butt digger. Might be able to lay down this whole trunk, and that might be the best way for those boys to take a ride. Okay, it definitely goes down, but I think it goes up too. Goes up too. I can't be for sure. I don't think it goes up way far. I think I'm gonna take it off like right here. Well, sat on me. It like wants to go, but it wasn't going to go. Because all I had to do was that. You know? Yeah, see, I cut it all the way on that side. And I just got out of there. I might have been able to just swipe it with one hand. Okay, I could probably take off one more piece. Go over and try to whittle down that other piece. I don't know how far I can get. Okay, that's where I'm at. I think with my reach, I'll have a nice sized piece here. Okay. Shuffle myself over. I want to be able to tip this piece off and not risk the black. Okay. All right, I can shorten this up just a little bit more. Now there's a hole here, so hopefully I'm not cutting the guy in half here. Whoa, that was so close. I don't see any injury. Wow! Like that was divine intervention for that little guy. He was just above that. Wow, well now I can take this whole piece off. Wow, he tucked up his tail. Turn that piece around so I can see how much room was in there. Yeah, now bring it up. Oh man, he had enough room. He was up in there. He was holding tight. My saw was right under his tail. Wow. He's going down with the ship. There he is. How you doing, buddy? Hey buddy, we're gonna get you out of there. Okay? We're gonna get you out of there. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna turn you that way, and then we're gonna tip it up and you're gonna jump out, okay? Okay, that's the deal. That's the deal we got. And I'm gonna get you on camera, okay? All right, are we good with that? Okay. Getting trees, we're having fun. Okay, we got a deal, Terry. He says he's good. He says he's good with it. He's good with the plan. Okay, remember, we're turning you that way. And we're gonna tip it at the ground and you're gonna go. You're gonna scoop. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. We're just gonna turn you. There you go, buddy. Perfect. Perfect. We did our duty. Hey, they must have had the plan because he went the same way as the other guy. Where did he go? Where did he go? He ran up in a pine tree somewhere. He's up in one of those boughs somewhere. Game of trees. We're having fun.
Playing the game of trees.